This is Billy Connor. He is a typical 15-year-old on his computer, doing typical teenage things like mindlessly scrolling through X.com. However, he then found an interesting tweet.
Good morning, Singapore. I regret to inform you all that from the 28th February 2024 onwards, we will be going on lockdown.
Oh no, it's happening again. It's happening again. I have to tell my best friend in lava as soon as possible.
Yama, it's COVID again. Do you see the X.com post that the president just said? It's COVID again. How are we going to survive?
Wait, please calm down. Breathe in, breathe out. You say it's from X.com, right? Let me see the tweet. Billy, it's a fake tweet. Look at the tweet again. Do you notice there's something off about it? Okay. Do you see that the Prime Minister's name is misspelled? Not only that, the link provided in the tweet is not a legitimate government link. It misspelled gov with go.
Oh my god, I did not even consider that. I'm such an absolute buffoon. I will not.
Thank you so much for watching this video and we hope you give us your support. Goodbye.